Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Coming at you with another Tundra compilation with this King setup here. CAMBURG King Blue Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms, Method MR318s, and some 35-inch BFG KO3s. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. If you guys are not local to us but still want to take advantage of our special deals, make sure to check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted lift kits ready to be installed. Next up, we have this Lunar Rock Toyota Tundra. We just installed a KYB 2000 series setup on this one with some CAMBURG tubular X-joint upper control arms. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with some RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels. They come in a matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. And the tire of choice on this one is going to be the Toyo Open Country RT Pros in a 35 12.5 17. And if you watch until the end, we're going to give you a promo code for a package that's going to save you over $500. Next one up is this black Tundra, going with a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series DSC. This one's adjusted to about 3 inches of lift in the front, and the back gets 1.5 inches with an Old Man Emu lift spring. We're going with a set of Method MR703 bead grip wheels on here. Wrapped them up in a BFG KO3 35 12.5 17. Here's another Tundra on a Westcott setup with some RR7V flow-formed wheels and some 35-inch RT Pros. The next Tundra coming up here is going to twin with that last one. Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup, RR7V wheels, and some 35-inch Toyo Open Country RT Pros. Next up, we have another third generation Tundra that's going with a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series setup with some CAMBURG Kinetic uniball upper control arms and some OME rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the RR7Vs in a different colorway of matte bronze face with the black simulated beadlock ring. This one's going with the 35 12.5 17-inch tire on here as well. We hope that you're enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have another 3rd gen Tundra that's getting a BP51 setup from Old Man Emu. Wheels here are the Method MR703 bead grips in a machine silver color. Tire of choice here are the BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO3s in a 35, 12.5, 17. Next up, we have this brand new 3rd generation Toyota Tundra in Barcelona red. This one is in for an Old Man Emu MT64 setup. And for our Memorial Day weekend sale, we have this package on special with 15% off when you're using promo code ARBSALE. That's ARBSALE at our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. That's over $500 off. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with a set of Method MR701s with some 37, 12.5, 17 Nitto Ridge grapplers. In order to make this one fit, we're doing a horn chop on it. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.